Affiliate marketing is a home business that pays. When you decide to enter into affiliate marketing, you may wonder where to begin, as there are so many things to consider when choosing strategies that will work for your business. The tips in this video can provide you with what you need to know to be a successful affiliate marketer. A profitable affiliate marketing program should require no more than an hour and a half of supervision per day. While the time cost of affiliate programs will be greater during the initial setup period, website owners who find themselves spending 2, 3 or more hours dealing with their affiliates every day, should rethink their affiliate partnerships. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. Keep a direct line open to your customers in affiliate marketing. You do not have to be the wizard behind the curtain here. You can have a blog presence, a Twitter account, a Facebook fan page or other methods by which customers can contact you about the product and/or service. Be a personable affiliate. Proper affiliate marketing is going to take a lot of research on your part, but that doesn't mean it has to be tedious. Thanks to viral video sites like YouTube and Dailymotion, just to name a couple, you can now check out entertaining tutorials that are not only entertaining but are also 2-for-1 opportunities, as they tell you how to do something and show you. As you have seen, affiliate marketing has different tactics, but it all shares the same goal, which is to help sell your products and services. All it requires is some research, hard work, and basic knowledge to decide what can work well for promoting your business to become a successful affiliate marketer. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.